In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete an eBay listing using the eBay app. So if you're on your phone and you open up the eBay app, you're going to click on Selling in the top left corner to get to your listings. And then to find an active listing you wish to delete, you're going to click Active on the left here. This will take you to all your listings that you have, and you can scroll down until you find the one you want to delete. You're going to click these three dots on the right of that listing, and you're given a lot of options here to revise, share listing, see the traffic history, sell similar, or end listing. We're going to click on End Listing. Then it wants the reason for why you're ending this listing. The start price or reserve price is incorrect. The item was lost or broken. The item is no longer available for sale. The listing contained an error. In my case, this item is no longer available for sale. I'm going to click on that. And then that ended the listing, and you can double check that in your unsolds. If you go to the top right and click on unsold, you can see my item here. If it doesn't pop up automatically, just pull down the screen to reload the page, and then your item should appear. You can then, if you wanted to revise the item and relist it, you can do that, but in my case, I'm not selling this item anymore on eBay, so I just wanted it deleted. So I'm gonna leave it as is, but that's how you do this. If you want more helpful how-to eBay videos like this, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, and I will catch you in my next video.